welcome in. Here is my Twitch channel. I hope you guys enjoy your stay here. My name is J-Cakes. Call me Booty Cakes, mommy, daddy, whatever you want to call me. Yeah. And this is kind of just a compilation of what my channel is all about, and I hope you enjoy yourselves here. Just make sure that you do turn your volume a little bit down. I tend to scream a lot. So let's get on to it.
Mr. I'll make a man out of you. I don't like raw food, but I'll take some raw dick.
It's okay, no one has to know, baby girl.
Over 700K.
Not a miracle work. Ah! Sorry. Cake you didn't get was this cake. Ah! Suck tits! Suck tits! Suck tits! Fuck off me, bro! Ah! I did it too soon! Ah! Ah! What the fuck? I'm going here real quick. Bill, go look for the fucking hatch, you fucking tunneling ass demo bitch motherfucker. Your mom's a fucking hoe. If not your mom, your dad. And then your sister and your brother. The whole fucking family's a hoe. Where's she? Where's that bitch? Where's that bitch at? Ah! Ah, why am I crouching? Ah! He saw me! He saw me! Ah!
Bruh.
Ah! Jesus Christ. Fucked up if you can't be right here. I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. Need you to stay, need you to stay. Hey, I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. Told you I changed, even though and I know I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay. Welcome to my channel, bitch. Bitch, ayy.